Party no white. Party no joke. I'm a choke. Una we washer, it choke, it don't choke.
But tell us the color of your problem, Abat. Abat, now deliverance, now you can't need the way me they look am now. This your own don't pass Joromia Bati. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today is about Abat Obaze. Abat, leave Dion Osagie alone, Abat. Abat, your mama not born for you. Leave Dion Osagie alone, Abat. Dion Osagie, they do birthday, it on your problem, Abat. You come out, begin the saga Dion Osagie for your birthday day. Abat, this your own ordinary hand. This your own don't pass Jeremy, Abat. What will be your problem? What will be the color of your problem, Abat? Why be say if you hear Dion Osagie matter, it could just be like Asurobogosi sardine, the way they say they eat them. What will be your problem, Abat? What did this man do you? He Abat come out the saga Dion Osagie, say he birthday. Now so people, as people spray reach for that party, people use money finish Dion Osagie. I've been at the gift, I've been at the award where they can't give him Abat. Abat, what will be your problem, Abat? Easy. Call it a mood that when you say that they quarrel, you not shock when you see her for them. You not shock. You not shock. Now that one can't shock you past. Now you quit wrong comment. Abat, leave Dion Osagie alone, Abat. The foundation where you dey fight am for, you don't open your own. What can be your problem again now? You don't open your own. Leave this man alone, Abat. He never made me back born. Abat, what will be your problem? What did Dion Osagie do? You in the if I owe you money when if I can't live before. Abat, leave this man alone. Leave Dion Osagie alone. Because if anything you do Dion Osagie now, you will go put. Leave this man alone, Abat. Every time, Abat don't go let Dion Osagie drink water keep cup. Leave this man alone, Abat. He just be anywhere. Done. Eh? My people, I never see this guy before. Abat just come out, Chris, just set her body. He begin the saga Dion Osagie. They insult her, not be smart to you, my people. Not be smart thing. Abat, leave Dion Osagie alone. Everybody they do in you for Edo State there. Also, with the water, you know let them drink water keep cup. Everybody. You not shocked for the birthday. The thing shock you, now make you want to die since yesterday, so. Because the thing you know is better. It shock you. My people, I put the video where Abat they talk more than this thing. Abat don't pass Jeremy. Ono na give your rabo. This one not be ordinary and they give my people. Now wow, I put the video my people more than see. Bye.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All white party. No white. Party no white. All white. The party no white. Party no joke. I'm a choke. Una we washer, it choke, it don't choke. Party no choke. See space everywhere. When you say party choke, where make your way? Don't even spray. You're able to deck cute to spray. Now let this evening, as a young go life, then I got to spray a smoothie. They're gonna say about the Abat Wagima, when we figure there, more than spray now, see Abat don't go live, Abat don't they laugh us. Party not choke. All white. Even people got a sock cloth. So people borrow money got sock cloth. Now it's like, okay, wait, one, don't worry. I want to sanitize Facebook. Come many people they talking on Facebook. Let me wait. Okay, Best Smith, bye bye. Get out here. Don't come here talking here. Ruti Edosoma, get out. I know. Admin, activate. Okay, Purest, get out. Ana hina Don wadia agbo ya awa be you are Instagram all vessel. I want pursue people come on Facebook. Go pay there. They'll say, man, Abba, don't let me wash and finish. You talk any here, I kick you out. Any senseless comment at me, kick them out. So I say, boy, go and walk. You get walk. You can't even spare. Go and walk. It will be, I block you. Hey, I don't pursue some people. I see they watch. You drop any useless comment, I kick you. All the people they drop right then, all of them are sweep wire, yeah, oh wire here, block wire in page now there. I know they beg for followers. Put that there as they try they kick you out. Straight up. I can say today, make I watch the video. Make I see all the noise. That's how they want to bring artists from Lagos. They want to bring comedians. That's how, even if, you know, say the guy they talk past himself. The problem of Dion is that he talks too much. He talks too much. When if I say, things are too expensive, that it feel like canceling the birthday. Let's say I contest someone with them and I say, yeah. I say just watch for Dion to talk this thing. On that very day, people not go see food eat. They're not gonna see drink. I said because to do party this period is not cheap. Things are expensive. Jamesy Green, that Jamesy, the green one, before that 5,500 naira for that Jamesy. Now that Jamesy is 10,500 naira. Many drinks. And the VSOP they buy that at 18,500. And the VSOP original one is that 37,000. So now they will get mind. Who really love himself? Now go feel do party now. People go chop and go drink. I must make a watch. I might be wrong. I call a watch. Do you not even package yourself? Party never even start. Do you not use like what kind of party? Because it's too early for this guy to enter. Celebrant 40th birthday. Then they package away. Because 40th birthday, you get a package away. The whole will don't fool. Everybody will don't sit down. They will say, let's welcome the host